Guys, look at that. And let's break it into half.
Wow!
Yeah!
Nice, perfect. Fluffy siya, kahit na pisilin mo, bumabalik siya, kahit
Oh
na
my
mainit
God.
siya.
Mayong adlaw mga kahigalaan! Ako si Chokoy and welcome to the baking edition of Wandering Kusina. Today's episode, we're going to bake a very famous delicacy from Cebu City or from Cebu Province. Ang lulutuin natin or ang ibe-bake natin, we're going to bake Torta de Cebu. And let's welcome Chef Mark.
Hi mga ka-wonders! Today, magbe-bake tayo ng tortang Cebu. Here are our ingredients. We have 1½ cup of flour, half cup of sugar, white sugar. We have 8 egg yolks, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and we have lard or pork oil. We have dry yeast, we have condensed milk, vanilla, and 1 cup of evaporated milk.
Alright.
So kung wala kang evaporated milk, pwede kang gamit ng fresh milk. Itong evaporated milk, it's warm.
Pinainit.
Pinainit kong konti. I will put the yeast in this milk.
So we're going to mix the yeast in the milk. So the milk is warm. And these are our molds. So we will be using a spray. If you don't have a spray, mga ka-wonders, you can actually use melted butter or melted margarine. Then you have to spread it here. Otherwise, if you have a spray, this is like an oil spray which you can use for baking. So just spray it on, so that it won't stick and it won't get too much attached to the foil.
And later we will use melted butter and sugar for toppings.
So let's start with the process. We're going to mix the yeast with our warm milk. So let's just mix the yeast with our warm milk. And
Now we will mix the egg yolks.
okay, we're going to pour our egg yolks into our big mixing bowl.
So we will mix the sugar. We will mix it until the sugar will melted. Now we will put condensed milk.
Half or 3/4?
3/4.
Okay, 3/4 of the can has been used. While Chef Mark is doing it, I'll be spraying our molds.
Now we will put our lard. So pwede rin kayong gumamit ng vegetable oil kung wala kayong lard. You can use a vegetable oil. Our vanilla.
So I'm mixing the baking powder.
Now we will mix the evaporated milk and yeast to our dough, this mixture.
So I have mixed the baking powder and the salt with the flour. And then we're going to add this into our liquid mixture slowly. Well, now that the mixing process is done, we're going to preheat the oven.
Yes.
Okay. While we are putting the mixture into our mold.
So now I'm going to use a scooper, ice cream scooper, for putting the mixture in our molds.
We don't really have to use ice cream scooper, but this is the easiest way for us to put the mold, to put the mixture into the mold.
Just only like this.
Yeah.
Around 2 scoops.
At least 2 scoops, yes, because this will actually once you bake it, it will actually grow. It will actually rise up.
2 scoops. Okay, done. We will bake this 15 to 20 minutes.
And at what temperature?
180 or 180 to 200 temperature.
Okay, once again, we have preheated our oven at 200 degrees and we're going to preheat it for 5 to 10 minutes to make sure that the temperature is actually 200 degrees inside. Now, it will be lessened once we put these inside and we're going to adjust our temperature to 180 degrees. All right?
Okay.
Let's put it in. Mga ka-wonders, here is our tortang Cebu. Tignan nyo yan. Ang sarap tignan. Guys, it looks so delicious. It pretty looks like the same as in the torta in Cebu.
So, mga wonders, ibabrush lang natin siya ng melted butter sa taas.
Yes. If you don't have melted butter, melted margarine.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And to finish this off, let's put some sugar. Yes. Let's be generous with the sugar. Mao ni ang tortang Cebu nga ginapaabot na ako nga matilawan na ako inig kauli. As I was saying, this is the same torta which I am looking forward once COVID is done. This is the same torta that I look forward to taste, especially sa Argao.
So guys, let's taste it.
So, come on, let's taste it. Okay.
Wow. Nice.
Guys, look at that. Look at it, this. Hold it. And let's break it into half.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nice. Perfect.
You see that?
Ganyan yung,
Yes.
fluffy siya. Kahit na pisrin mo, bumabalik siya. Kahit
Oh
na
my God.
mainit siya. So, I will taste it also.
Well done.
Sarap.
Moist, guys.
Same Cebu.
Same. Damn. I know that there's some specialties now, like the torta, they put cheese on top. So this is just the simplest that we can do. We do have cheese, but we don't want to put it. We want to make the original torta, the original Torta de Cebu. Guys, ang sarap, just delicious.
Up.
Natuwa ako kasi nadali niya.
Akala ko nga, palpak eh.
Nadali. Sarap. There you have it, mga ka-wonders. That's our Torta de Cebu. That's our baking episode for today. Congratulations, Chef Mark.
Thank you.
Yeah, ang sarap. Anyway, mga ka-wonders, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and then comment down below whether you like it or not. And mas maganda na yung you tell us what you feel about this video. And then, please share it to your friends, family, co-workers, and everyone else. Share it on your page and click that notification bell so that you will be updated on all our videos.
So we have also Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.
Yes, don't forget to subscribe to those social media pages. And then, thank you very much for watching. I am Chakoy.
And I'm Mark.
Stay cool, stay safe, and peace.